I'm Bong Gonzalez from the Philippines. I'll be going to Canada by June 23 till September 19 to look for work. Uh, I'm looking forward to work in Canada for the next 5 to 15 years and look for an employer who can issue me a work permit. I want to work in Canada to sustain the schooling of my daughter and for my family's needs. Also, I was motivated by my uncle who is working abroad as a caregiver. My career so far is that I work in sales for 26 years, and mostly uh, I am driving. We are issued a vehicle as our to work for we're going to work in other places, so we are given a service vehicle. And so far I've learned a lot of experience in sales in my 26 years in service. I want to work I want to apply and to work in farm industry in Canada, to explore and for a change, so that I will I so that I can do another kind of job and experience uh, working in farm industry. I am I'm very healthy and still fit to work, and I'm very eager to learn and easy to uh, pick up things or to learn easily. In my career, I've been driving for 26 years, and I drove uh, four wheel vehicle type like car, pickup, uh, refrigerated van, and lastly, I was given a restriction code of 8 in the Philippines, which is that's the requirement in order for you to drive an articulated vehicle that is applicable internationally. Uh, in driving, so far, I can drive small vehicles, uh, and we are given service for us for our sales in order for us to travel anywhere in our assigned areas. And then hopefully, my driving experience can help if I will be hired in a farm or any other jobs in Canada. I know my experience in driving will help a lot. Uh, Thank you, and I am looking forward to work in Canada, to be with my friend who is also working in Canada and who is who is there in Canada and with a good living, and hope to get in touch with you the soonest. Thank you.
Okay, so panoorin niyo po.